Blood sugar, also known as glucose, is our body's primary source of energy. We need it to function properly, but too much sugar in the blood can be harmful. Consistently high blood sugar can lead to serious health problems. Think about heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even vision problems. That's why managing blood sugar levels is crucial for everyone, not just those with diabetes. The good news is that we can control our blood sugar through the food choices we make every day. It all starts with understanding carbohydrates. Carbohydrates often get a bad rap, but they are not all created equal. Our bodies need carbs to function properly. They are broken down into glucose, which fuels our cells. However, some carbs are digested quickly, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar. These are typically refined carbs like white bread, sugary drinks, and processed snacks. On the other hand, complex carbs, like those found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, are digested slowly and provide a steady release of energy, keeping blood sugar levels stable. So, how do you tell the good carbs from the bad? Look for foods high in fiber and low in added sugars. Fiber is like a superhero for your blood sugar. It slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing those dreaded sugar spikes. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats over refined grains like white bread and pasta. Swap sugary drinks for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a splash of lemon or lime. Your body will thank you. We've already established that fiber is a blood sugar superhero, but let's dive a little deeper into why it's so amazing. Fiber adds bulk to your diet, making you feel fuller for longer and reducing the urge to overeat. This can be particularly helpful if you're watching your weight. Aim to include fiber-rich foods in every meal. Think fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Your blood sugar will thank you. Section 5. The power of portion control. Even healthy carbs can spike blood sugar if you eat too many at once. That's where portion control comes in. Be mindful of your serving sizes, especially when eating carbohydrate-rich foods. A simple trick is to use smaller plates. This can help you visually control your portions without feeling deprived. Section 6. Smart snacking for steady sugar. Snacking can be a great way to keep your energy levels up between meals, but it's important to choose your snacks wisely. Avoid sugary snacks and processed foods, which can send your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. Instead, opt for snacks that combine protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Think apple slices with peanut butter, a handful of almonds, or Greek yogurt with berries. Section 7. Meal planning for stable blood sugar. Planning your meals in advance can make a huge difference in managing your blood sugar levels. When you plan ahead, you're less likely to make impulsive food choices that can spike your blood sugar. Focus on creating balanced meals that include a source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbohydrates. This combination will help slow down digestion and keep your blood sugar stable. Section 8. Busting carb myths, separating fact from fiction. There are many myths surrounding carbs and blood sugar. Let's debunk some of the most common ones. Myth: all carbs are bad for you. Fact: as we've discussed, complex carbohydrates are essential for good health. They provide energy, fiber, and important nutrients. Myth: people with diabetes can't eat carbs. Fact: people with diabetes can and should enjoy carbohydrates as part of a balanced diet. The key is to choose healthy carbs and manage portion sizes. Myth: fruit is too high in sugar for people with diabetes. Fact: while fruit does contain natural sugars, it is also a good source of fiber and other nutrients. Enjoy fruit in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Section 9. Take control of your health. Managing your blood sugar levels doesn't have to be complicated. By understanding the difference between good carbs and bad carbs, incorporating fiber into your diet, practicing portion control, and making smart snack choices, you can enjoy all kinds of foods without the sugar spikes. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Take control of your health today and enjoy a lifetime of benefits.